the channel.
Today we are opening, oh no we're not.
We're not opening, we're setting up.
We're setting up an enclosure for our new critters.
See what they are, show them out here, George.
I got 3 white tree frogs.
They're hard to see in this container, but we'll get them out. We'll show you a better picture of them here in the new setup we're putting together
while you're taking
over here. So we got all the goodies we're putting in it for now. This is our starter stuff. What do we have, Hall? What do you have by you?
I don't know, a weird little log hide and
I'm gonna try and stick it like this since they're nocturnal, so when it's daylight they can like hide back here or whatever.
Then we got some
rocks, and we got sphagnum moss, we got plants,
hanging plants,
bamboo sticks, and water dishes, and we already put the substrate.
And we already got
fiber.
We already got the plantation coconut fiber in the bottom. That jug there is the water we'll use to fill our dishes. It has Reptisafe in it already, so it's ready to go. Backgrounds on the back. So what's the first thing you think we'll do, girls? Rearrange the plants, put everything in there, see how it looks?
Because the plants, probably these things first.
Yeah.
Because these will be like the thing that gets most in the way or whatever. And this, and then we'll probably put the plants in the sphagnum and stuff.
All right, well, we'll show you a progress pic here in just a minute. What are those? They're Fluker's bamboo stakes. And show them the end of them. They actually come
Suction cups.
with a suction cup on the end, so you can stick it to the glass on both ends. You can put them in angle, crossways, however you want to work it.
Can you put them together and make it one?
No, you cannot. It's actually single pieces. Comes with 2. About, what was it? About 20 bucks for those 2?
Wait, do they
Let me
extend?
see.
No, I don't think so.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's as long as they get.
they're compression. See, here, do it again, Cole.
I hate the sound.
Their compression. It's hard to get it to focus on that. Hold your hand behind it.
I hate that sound so much.
Now do it. It's focused on you now. They have a compression so that you can stick them crossways or other ways in there. So pretty interesting. I think it was about $19.99 for those.
I would probably do like one on each side.
Yeah.
Do one over here somewhere, and then do one on the other side.
Okay, we'll see how those go.
All right.
These are the Flukers compression bamboo stakes with the suction cups on the end. Gotta admit, they're a little bit of a pain. They're kind of hard to install. They don't like a real sharp angle, so I think these are really meant maybe for cross. But these are, cross from one side of the tank to the other, or up and down. But with a front open tank like we have, is a little harder. You can't put anything on the front glass. But there they are anyway. Think you're gonna do the hide?
Where do you think I should put it? Here? Oops. Here?
Yeah, maybe put it in the middle, somewhere like that, to where they can.
I'm thinking I'll maybe put the rocks like at the base.
At the base of it?
Maybe.
Put that there to where they can get behind it and it'll keep them out of the light. That'll be a good spot because that'll hide them from all the lights in here. And they can get back there in the back.
Because they are nocturnal.
The light from the window won't get them. The light from above won't get them. With the background, the light from the living room won't get them. That's a good spot. George, what you got there?
The Monstera leaf vines that I'm going to put in there.
We got 2 different sizes. What were they? Was one a 12-inch and one like a 19 or 18-inch or something like that?
Does it not say on the package?
No, I don't think it does say on the package. But there's 2 different sizes. One's like a foot or so, and then the other's like a 1.5 feet. Thought we'd get them. We like the pattern with the Monstera leaf. Nice and green. It wasn't like a fake looking weird color.
Yeah. But the frogs are kind of a different green, so they'll stick out against.
And they got a suction cup on them. We're going to stick one on one side, one on the other. Turn around so they can see the suction cup. So they suction cup to the side of the thing, and we're going to dangle them over the vines and see how that goes. And here's the other plant we got. This is a one that you stick in the soil instead of hanging from a suction cup. Another Monstera. Nice, natural looking fake plant. We're going to stick it in the front maybe, and it has, 4 stems in it, varying sizes.
Yeah.
Here's the smaller hanging vine on the right-hand side. We have the one that we set on the ground-mounted one right there. There's the hide. And there's our other dangly vine in the back, the bigger one. So it fills in this is a 25-gallon terrarium, front open.
Putting 3 frogs in.
3 frogs.
Juveniles
Yep,
at the
they're
moment.
small ones are at the moment, probably about half grown. But that actually, the 3 plants have filled it out pretty nice. It was a little more than I expected it to actually fill it up. I thought we'd be going back for more. And we still have to add the water dishes and a few little rocks.
And sphagnum moss.
And sphagnum. Here's the 2 water dishes. These are ones we already had. So we're just reusing those till we figure out exactly what we want to do with these. But we thought we'd use 2 because they are notorious for what, Georgia?
Tree frogs, and especially whites, like soiling their water dishes.
They like to go in their water dish.
Yeah.
So we gave them a couple. And plus, these will be a lot lighter for Georgia to be able to take out,
Instead
rinse.
of just one huge one.
Yeah. It'll be a lot easier for her to keep them clean on a daily basis. Our water dishes in. They tucked in nice between the vines. We'll use, we typically use the same water that we use to mist their enclosures. We keep it pre-mixed with Reptisafe in it so it's safe to put in there. So there's their water dishes. We'll fill those up in a minute. Girls, what do you got there?
Rocks, pebbles, whatever. They're not big enough for them to swallow is the main thing.
Yeah, you have to
We got
watch
big
the
ones.
size so they
I
can't eat
cluster
them.
them together.
And they're smooth. Show
I'm
one
wanting
of them,
to put
George.
some up here, Holland.
And they're smooth, so
And
they
we have
won't
gray
they won't
ones.
cut them either. So we got 2 different colored rocks. I think we got those at the Michaels. What's the last thing we got there? Show that up.
Film where we put the rocks.
Sphagnum moss.
Oh, I'll show the rocks here in a second.
Oh, yeah.
It's hold it up. It's terrarium sphagnum moss. It's made by Galapagos. This product, I tore it off already. I kind of pre-opened it right here. But this product is actually made in the USA, so that's a domestic product here. Let me show the rocks real quick. They arrange their pebbles.
Those ones kind of match that
Yep,
dish, so we did that.
that does look good with that dish. And then you got some of the gray ones here, leading up to our little stump dish.
And I'm thinking I'm going to put some sphagnum on them, probably.
Yep.
Just put sphagnum wherever it looks good.
Bust out that sphagnum.
It'll help hold humidity.
Yeah, the plantation soil and the sphagnum will help hold humidity for them. So
And the water dish.
and the water
creates
dishes.
humidity
And then
for
we
water.
check them and we mist them on a daily basis. But
Yes. 60 to 70%.
alrighty, we'll get that sphagnum put it in. There's the enclosure. They got some of the sphagnum tucked in and around the rocks. Just give it a little extra touch, help hold the humidity.
It got everywhere.
It did get everywhere. It's super messy.
And we need to fill the waters up.
And we need to fill their waters up, and then it's time to mist it. And
We don't have a humidistat yet. We need to get
yeah,
that
we'll get one of
done.
those. I may have a spare one in there. I'll have to look.
Yeah.
And then we'll introduce the frogs. All right. They're so ready to go in their container.
I need to like. There we go. Here, you lift the lid off.
All right, you filming, Hall? You see them? Because I have a feeling they're going to go on the lid. He's on the lid. Oh, get down low. Watch him go.
Could you zoom in
There's one
again?
already
Oh,
on
he's
that
on the wall.
water dish.
One on the water dish. Don't dump the plantation. I'll hold this. You
He's
tickle
looking
him
like
out.
He's looking like he's gonna.
Oh, look at
There he
There
goes.
he goes. Yay!
Get the one up. Get these other 2.
Oops. I didn't scare them.
And the one up in the corner.
Chilling.
There they are. That's all 3 of them.
Yay!
We'll leave them in there for a few minutes, and then what are we going to dump in there for them, girls?
Crickets. It's hunting. We just put crickets in it. We
Oh, I might have
shook them
caught
in.
one.
It went behind the cord.
And the other 2 are still trying to escape and have no idea what's going on. I think they see your Cypress Gardens pennant and think it's like vegetation, and they're trying to get over
Yeah,
it.
they'll try and do that. That's why they hang on the glass a lot. Yeah, we put crickets in here. The other one went behind the log.
Probably after him, George?
Yes, it's down there. Oh, it just ate one.
Oh, one of them's already got him a cricket. I don't think we can get it. He's too far in the,
other
back
two
hiding.
are still up high.
The other 2 are still being doofuses up high.
That's the smart one. That's the the chillax one that just slept the entire ride home and was just. The other 2 are just jumping around crazy, and that one's just chillaxed. But
All right.
it's not like he's lethargic or anything. He's
Well, this,
you know.
that's our new
Critters.
White's tree frog setup. 3 White's tree frogs.
There's one kind of going down low. The
Well-
other one's hunting too now. This one's still just trying to figure out what's going on.
We'll do update videos. What do you tell everybody in the meantime, though, George?
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to our channel.
Come back
Bye.
soon for more videos. Bye.